How to fix low call volume problem in iOS 26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Now in settings scroll down, click on general. You will see second option is software update. So make sure your software update is latest iOS to 6.01. So if it not latest, so update your software latest. After updating, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. So if it not solved, this is your volume up button and this is volume down button. So you want to increase or decrease voice from here. So make sure your problem is solved. So if it's still not solved, so click on settings app. Now in settings scroll down, click on sound and haptics. You will see you will increase or decrease voice from here. So after setting, you will check your problem is solved. So if it's still not solved, so click the power button and volume down button at the time and power off the phone. After restarting, enter phone passcode. You will check your problem is solved. So if it's still not solved, so click on settings app. Now in settings scroll down, click on general. Now here scroll down to end, click on transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset all settings, enter phone passcode, click on reset all setting. It's just reset all setting, it's not remove and clean your phone memory and data. After the restarting, refresh phone, so that's your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix low call volume in iOS 26. Hope so you like the video. Thanks for watching.